everybody. It's Chad with Nobody Else's Auto. We're back, Meek and Mindy, with our good friend Jim Wicks, the Ford, Shelby, and Cobra expert. And he's taking some time out of his day to spend some time with us and go over some of these stunning cars out of your friend's collection that are going to be running across the block here. We've already shot some video on some other cool Shelbys. We've got another gorgeous car here that we're going to talk about real quick. Which one are we going to talk about now, Jim?
This is 1966 Shelby GT350. That the unique thing about this car is one of 11 factory superchargers built.
Because it's not unique enough being a Shelby.
Not unique, yeah. But, what a cool car. It's got the 10-spoke wheels. It's factory candy apple red. Of course, the Le Mans stripes and a 4-speed car. This is kind of the top of the food chain in the Shelby fastback world.
Well, let's take a quick walk around if you got a minute.
Some of the differences in the car of what goes on. You have the quarter windows in the side as opposed to the vents.
Because the 65 had the vent.
65 Mustang with the vents. This was done for styling exercise as well as really it's a great enhancement for visibility. You know, so that's
which is kind of important.
That's really kind of important. But anyway, the addition of the brake scoops that actually were a functional item. They forced air into the wheel well, which cooled both the brakes and the tires.
Which is odd on a production car. You'd see that on a race car, but usually the production model didn't get functional stuff like that.
That was the racy aspect of promoting the Shelby brand.
True.
As we go around the car,
because basically, as far as Carroll Shelby was concerned, if it wasn't good on a race car, he probably wasn't that interested in it.
Right. This car, you have the GT350 badging, both in its taillight panel placement and the gas cap. The Mustang GT used the exhaust system outlet through the holes from the back with a trumpet exhaust. Shelby chose not to do that and just have a very subtle dual exhaust outlet.
So had this been a regular Mustang fastback, we would see holes through here.
Well, if it was a GT.
A GT, okay. Yes. So they went with just a basic Mustang type setup.
Yes. Coming around the car, you get the view in the inside of the car with the factory tachometer, the 4-speed shifter, and the simulated wood grain steering wheel.
Obviously, this car's been done to a very, very high level.
Very, very high level.
And this car was also a thoroughbred restoration car, correct?
Yes.
There's the legendary Paxton.
The Paxton Supercharger, the Shelby Cobra Paxton Supercharged label, the airbox. In relationship to a lot of modern superchargers, these didn't put out a lot of boost. These were roughly a 6-pound boost factor, but it added to the performance of the 289, and you know, it is truly legendary about the Paxton aspect of the car.
Right.
Other than that, everything else is the same. So what you see with the car is a really, really cool first-class automobile.
Now, what's the? Do you know much about the history of this particular car?
Yes, this car actually ended up in Puerto Rico.
Oh, really?
I believe that probably a serviceman ended up with it over there, and somehow just decided to leave it there. And a Puerto Rican national ended up with the car, and from there it kind of beat around there and was bought and brought back.
Right. So when was the car brought back to the States?
Probably sometime in this car probably was brought back sometime in the early 90s.
Oh wow! So it was down there for quite a while.
A long time.
Because Shelby's by then were already starting to gain a pretty good following.
Yes, well they already had a great following, but you know, this car, just a production GT350, and the cool factor being the Paxton Supercharger.
And obviously a stunning restoration.
Yes, it's the top of the food chain for what you've got in that auto.
Well, sounds great. Thanks for giving us a walk around on it, Jim. Like I said, your knowledge is just second to none. I don't know if there's anybody that can can beat you on Shelby and Cobra knowledge.
Well,
And I appreciate you.
it's fun.
It is fun. That's why we're doing it. That's why you and I get along. We both have this passion, and we enjoy it. And I just love being able to talk to guys like you and document your stories. And your knowledge of this stuff is so great. And just like we walk up to a car and you can tell us the whole story about the car from clear back when, and that's what's cool. Because the stories are what make these cars. The memories, the stories, and that's what brings us together.
Well, that's what we want to share with your viewers.
And that's why we like doing it. So.
Let's rock, let's have fun, let's everybody come out to Mecum Auctions and enjoy what we're doing.
Super excited, looking forward to a great weekend. Thanks for taking a few minutes with us, Jim. We'll see if we get a little bit of time. We'll take some look at some other cars later on.
Later on.
Sounds good. Thanks, Jim. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon.